Day 131. It's shaking. This plank trail is real nice. Real nice. I like it. The trail, like up till about, we just went over the top of Mount Mariah. That's where I started this morning, was on one of its shoulders. And we did 13 miles yesterday, and it was all super slick up and down rock. And I know you can see I'm pulling this tree, but it's not, this isn't the safest trail. It's a little rocky, a little slick. Some you can do with trekking poles, and some you gotta throw your trekking poles down to the next step below you. We've seen it all out here in the last couple days, but it's been this way all the way through the Whites. So kind of since day, I think number 3 in New Hampshire. Once we got into Mount Moosilauke, you can look back at those videos. And then today we are going back into Gorham. We're staying back at the barn. I know I talked about that yesterday, but I'm looking forward to it. The barn's right downtown, and there's a place that serves breakfast till like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. They say they close at 2, so I'm gonna try to get there today around 1:30 at the latest. Hopefully I'll get there around noon. And I want some pancakes. I've been a real pancake eater out here on the trail. It's just kind of been a competition to see who's got the best pancakes. And it's funny because I never really liked pancakes too much. But now I've had some amazing pancakes, and it's kind of one of the things that I look forward to. Pancakes, and then I always do my classic plate of eggs. Up here I've been doing less eggs because they've been more expensive. There was a restaurant we were at the other day that wanted $4 for a single egg. So you can get their 2-egg breakfast for like $12, and then if you wanted to throw another egg on it, it was like, well, the 2-egg breakfast, I mean, that's an exaggeration. It came with what's that stuff called? Oh, corned beef hash, homemade. So that's a deal. But my cohort Smash ordered a side of the corned beef, and he ended up getting more than me, and I ordered it on the platter. So I was thinking to myself, it might have been a better deal if I just ordered the corned beef on the side. But yeah, I wanted 4 eggs because I like 4. For me, 4 over easy eggs like really gets the job done. I don't know what it is about those delicious yolks, but they work wonders for me. They wanted $3.95 for another egg. That was in Hanover, home of some of the most educated people on earth, and they're paying. That's the town of where Dartmouth is. And these people are paying $4 for an egg when they go out to breakfast. But there were some deals in that town. I don't want to take away from it like that. Anyway, yeah, this trail, man, this has just been some nice boarded trail. Again, I don't know. Like, I'm sure somebody's gonna do a survey of how many miles of boards there are on the AT, but I bet there's 20, 25 miles, maybe 30 miles of these boardwalks. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this morning. Like, there's Nibbles on her phone. It's so easy she could sit there and text. She's probably updating her Instagram.
Nope.
the Barn Hostel. This is what it looks like in the actual. This is the sleeping area. So for people who've been sleeping in shelters for a long time, this is pretty nice. And some people like a lot of these bigger beds. These are for one person. They've got a little charging station over here. This is just the upstairs. There's a middle level and a downstairs and a backyard. Yeah, and then he gives Nibbles and I the big queen size bed over there in the corner. But yeah, this place is sweet. I think he said he sleeps about 20 up here or something like that. And the beds are actually pretty comfy. We're in the town of Gorham. And he's also got the Libby House bed and breakfast, which is connected to this. This is like the garage area, but it's definitely one of the cleaner, more livable hostels that we've been in.